Sustainability. This is one of the most important core values to me. Building a future for our company long after we're gone. That's what we do every day here at Jones.
With the company, they're going to be here or they wouldn't put this big investment in this equipment. All the drivers have their part of making sure they take care of the equipment, so that we have nice equipment and out there on the road, not broke down.
I feel like Jones has been here for years. I think they're in it for the long haul. Every decision that they make seems to not only think about us right now, but it seems to think about the future and the growth that we're looking towards.
Just like with our trucks, we make sure they're getting in for their maintenance. If we don't sustain our trucks, then we can't drive our business because we need our drivers and we need our trucks to, deliver.
We all work to give something better to our kids. So I feel like that's what the value means to Jones, is just to be able to pass on a great company to the next generation.
Doing what's right today is to make sure we've got a future for tomorrow. Being sustainable doesn't apply just to us here at Jones. I think it has to apply to our vendors and our customers as well, because sustainability kind of goes both ways. If they're not sustainable, we're not sustainable. So I think making sure that we're doing things today that will not affect us in the future is part of what makes Jones Logistics strong.
Sustainability to me is the long game. We're here to be here for a long time. That's not making decisions just to maximize profitability, although we like that, but it's the long game. We're going to be here for a long time, so we're making decisions that are for years in advance, not just for here and now.
Everything we do is to help us sustain us for the future and for the generations to come. It's not just about the immediate, but also what's going to help us last throughout the years.